Hey guys, thanks for the great response for our PCOS series videos. For anyone who is new here, this is the last one of the 3-part series on PCOS and how to tackle its symptoms through lifestyle and dietary interventions. If you have not watched the last 2 parts, please do. They have so much good information and 6 amazing recipes that are extremely easy and useful for PCOS. In this part, we'll discuss the third and the most visible symptom of PCOS, which is physical attributes such as hirsutism, acne, etc. Since PCOS mostly starts in young adults, conditions like these can be stressful and damage the confidence for people of this age. The most accepted cause for these physical attributes is excess androgen production. In part 1 of the PCOS series, we already discussed how ovaries produce high androgens when affected by PCOS. Please watch the video from this link. To address the excess androgen problem, we built a nutrition checklist to screen the suitable foods/recipes. The diet should be low-carb, protein-rich and fiber-rich. Should contain mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, in addition to other important nutrients such as biotin, zinc, tyrosine and antioxidants. We have enlisted the uses of all the macro and micronutrients in the description box below. Please give it a read. Vitamin D is another extremely important nutrient we did not include in this list. Vitamin D is also an endocrine system hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating hormonal imbalance. You can get adequate vitamin D through occasional sun exposure throughout the day, which is usually less than 30 minutes in total for most people. If you do not get adequate sun exposure or have other problems, please consider including vitamin D through diet. These recipes are not limited for people with PCOS, but can be beneficial for anyone suffering from problems like hirsutism and acne. These are also good for anyone seeking their ideal body weight and wholesome nutrition in general. Let's get into the recipes now and understand their nutrition. Our first recipe is sweet potato pancakes. It's got low carb, good protein and good fiber. We've got mono and polyunsaturated fats. There's biotin, zinc, tyrosine and antioxidants from bananas and sweet potatoes. You can fix this low-calorie, filling and yummy breakfast in just 10 minutes and the calories are inclusive of honey drizzling. Our second recipe today is a Gongura Chana curry. Low carb, high fiber, high protein, check. Mono and polyunsaturated fats, check. Biotin, zinc, tyrosine and antioxidants, all check. This is a near perfect recipe for all other symptoms of PCOS too, and it scores at least 9 out of 10 on Yum Factor. With only 250 calories, it's a popular choice to lose weight and gain lean muscle. Our last recipe for the day is a snack, stuffed capsicum petals. Like the other 2 recipes, this has low carb, high protein, high fiber, good mono and polyunsaturated fats. It also scores on biotin, zinc, tyrosine and antioxidants, especially vitamin C. It also has plenty of other macros and is a stellar recipe for PCOS or just plain fun. This episode brings us to the conclusion of our 3-part series on PCOS. Our intention with this video is to educate as many people about PCOS, explain that the diet for PCOS can be super yum and fun, and encourage all the family members out there to start thinking about adding the right nutrition. Caring cannot get any easier than this. So next time when you get any opportunity, cook these recipes for your family and contribute to their health and happiness.
Before we show you the recipes, we want to remind you of one last thing. We are including a nutrition label at the end of most of our recipes. Kindly go through that to know more about how healthy the recipes are. Also, if you are liking our content, please let us know by leaving likes and comments, and when you subscribe to us, please click on the bell icon. We promise we won't spam you and give you only healthy content. Thank you for being here.